Hi guys, Fra Lippo Lippi. Stitches and burns. People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, drifting back with eyes wide open. I would choose not to see. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play all day. Not even if you smile a sweet smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Okay, that's our intro. First verse and a chorus. Okay, let's go to the intro. It's enough. Third fret, second string, first fret, second string, and then third. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then F. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, and then G. G, down, up, and then second string, third fret, and then third string, fifth fret, okay? So again. So second string, third string, second string, third string, second string, and then C. C, down and up, and then A. One, strum down A, and then second string, third fret, open, first string, first fret, second string. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then F, down and up, and then go to G, same, and then A minor, down, up, down, down, and then put your pinky on the third fret of second string, pull off to first fret, and then open third string, and then F. Okay, that's it. That's our intro. Now we go to our first verse. Same strumming. Our chords are verse and chorus. Chords are the same. So F, G, C, F, G, A minor, F, G, C, F. Okay. So the strumming pattern is down, up, down, down. Okay, so just for chorus, F, G, C, A minor, just like the intro. F, G, A minor, F. Okay. Now we go to our third verse. Same picking, same chord, same strumming. First verse and second verse exactly the same. Okay, I just play it so that we can put it on the screen for you to can see it. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things we have. I've been looking for a way for too long now. And then repeat chorus twice, and then we go to the bridge. I play the last part of chorus. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but getting it true at all. Day up today, leaving the past behind, coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again. And then we repeat chorus twice. And then the outro 2 times also is we're gonna be using the chorus chords. So that's it, guys. It's very easy. But the outro is you can play. The outro is F, G, C, F. Oh. No, chorus. No, I don't want. Wanna be the one. Even if you smile, the sweetest smile. Even if you beg me down. So the outro is the chorus chords without voicing. You have to play it twice. But there is a lead playing during the outro, so that's our outro. Okay, just listen to the outro and you can get it. Anyway, we have tabs, so don't worry. So here is your tab. I'll show you. Okay. Okay. Get the auto tab is on the lower part. Okay. Okay. Now our next lesson is Desert Moon by Dennis DeYoung. Is the train? The desert was all she said, but I knew I heard the stranger's voice before. But that's to have right, but you moved away. That's it, guys. Just click the notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. You can also request. Make a request. Don't be ashamed. Okay? And don't forget to click the closed caption for subtitles. Okay, that's it, guys. Have a good day. Keep practicing, especially the beginners. This song is not complicated. It's very easy to learn. Okay.